By the end of this video, you will know how to add an estimate expiry date in Wave. Start from your Wave account and make sure the correct business is selected before you continue. If you manage more than one business in Wave, this matters because estimates are tied to the business that is currently active. Once you are in the right business, go to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. This opens the area where invoices, estimates, and payment-related records are managed. From there, click Estimates to open your Estimates page. At this point, either create a new estimate or open an existing estimate that you want to update. The process is the same in either case, since the expiry date is added from within the estimate form itself. When the estimate form is open, select the customer for the estimate if it has not already been filled in. Then enter the required estimate details for that customer. Depending on the estimate you are working on, this may already include some information, or you may be entering it from the beginning. Now look to the right side of the estimate form. In that section, locate the date field and the valid until field. These two fields appear together, and the valid until field is the one that controls the estimate expiry date. Click directly in the valid until field, or click the calendar icon beside it. That opens the date picker so you can choose the date when you want the estimate to expire. Select the appropriate date from the calendar. After you choose it, the selected date will appear in the valid until field on the form. With the expiry date in place, continue entering the rest of the estimate information. Fill in the items, quantities, prices, and any other required details that belong on the estimate. If you opened an existing estimate, review the current information and update anything that still needs to be adjusted before saving. When everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save and Continue. This saves the estimate with the expiry date you selected and moves you forward in the estimate workflow. Thanks for watching. Your estimate in Wave now includes an expiry date in the valid until field.